Hello, guys. So today I have come up with a topic which is Tableau Pulse, which has been released recently with the new version of Tableau, that is Tableau 2024.1. So there are a lot of confusions around Tableau Pulse. What is it? People are getting confused with Tableau Pulse, Tableau AI, and Tableau GPT. Let us clear all those doubts today. So let us start the presentation. So what is Tableau Pulse? So Tableau Pulse, it's basically a new feature of Tableau, which is available to only Tableau Cloud users. So those of you who are using Tableau Cloud, only they can have access to Tableau Pulse, others cannot. It can be considered as your social media app of metrics. Like in social media, you will be having the feeds coming, the posts coming into your feeds, like the people you follow, the pages you follow or like, everything like that. So like that, the metrics that you follow or the metrics that you have interacted with that are relevant to you, only those metrics will come into your feed. It's like a social media homepage. And the best thing about these metrics is that once you define this metrics, it can be reused across anyone, across the company by anyone. So that's the best thing about this, that so you don't have to recreate any metrics again and again. It's like a repository where once you have created a metric, that number is has been approved by your managers, the clients, and everyone, and that can be reused in case you want to do something else with that. So you don't have to like click on many filters and parameters to arrive at a number in your dashboard. So those days have gone. So you just have to follow those metrics, and they are relevant to you and they are coming into your feed. And this feature is accessible in Slack or Gmail and Tableau mobile app as well. You don't have to refer to multiple BI apps to access your data. It comes to your workflow without disturbing anything. So you are like getting your data on your fingerprints. So these are some of the important features of Tableau Pulse. So let's move on and let's more dig more deep into what is its architecture, like how it is working. So as I mentioned earlier, it has a metrics layer, it has an insight platform as well, and on top of that, they are using Gen AI to improve the experience, the end user experience. So the metrics layer, as I explained earlier, it's like a home page of the metrics that you are following, and it's a single source of truth for all the metrics, and it can be used by anyone. When we are coming to the insights platform, in this platform, it is automatically detecting the patterns and changes in the metrics and giving you the insights. And on top of all this, it makes the feature intuitive by giving you or allowing you to ask questions to your metrics. That's how you communicate with the data or on the fly in your mobile. So that is how Tableau is bringing the convenience to interact with your data, collect the insights, and improve the decision making using Gen AI. So, what are the tangible benefits to a company who will like use the Tableau Pulse? So, first benefit for a company is that you are getting a personalized metrics homepage tailored to your specific needs. So, like in the screen, you can see that I am having here appliance sales, branch revenue, and campaign ROI. And as well, here the insights as well, you can see usual, unusual, normal. So it's detecting the pattern and giving me the insight. So you can see the boxes, those are like matrix layer. The unusual, usual, normal, these are kind of insight layer. And in on the top, like you can see appliance sales is seeing an unusual spike, which branch revenue campaign ROI are steadily increasing. Of the 12 metrics you are following, 2 is unusual. So this is where GenAI comes into the picture. Next benefit for a company is that it will be delivering relevant data to users inside the tools they are already using. Like as you can see in the screen, people are getting the feeds in their Slack. Okay, and there itself they can interact with the metrics, they can ask questions and dig more deeper into those metrics. In the left side as well, in the Tableau mobile app, you are getting that there are three kind of it's like more of a Instagram kind of thing, following for you all the metrics. So you are like getting all the metrics in your fingertips, you are scrolling and uh, getting the insights about each metrics on your fingertips only. Next is that overall, in overall, it will make better decisions, and it will make faster without having to spend much time manually analyzing the data. So earlier, what used to happen, like you will be having a dashboard which will be developed by a developer, and you have to go to that like Tableau server or cloud and click on some of the uh, links or filter and then see what the data is coming, and then you get your data. But here it's like completely personalized to your need. You don't have to click on anything. You are getting the metrics which have been built once, and those are like interpreted by Gen AI, giving you the pattern whether it's usual or unusual, and also giving you a chance to interact with it. So you are like getting some of the prompts, like you can see in the screen. How has inventory fill rate changed since last week? This is a question you can ask to the metrics and it will give you the result. You don't have to go to any dashboard and to find this the answer to this particular question, like are there outliers in small electrical stock. So you don't have to have any knowledge, you just have to ask any question, and GenAI will work in the background to give you the particular answer. So you are like saving a lot of time in analyzing the data. You are getting everything on your fingerprints, and it will be like a very good feature for all those people. So who is it for? Like we can see that these features sound quite groundbreaking and very cool, but who is it actually for? Who is the end user who will get benefited? So what I think is that these are particularly for the C-suite officers or managers who are like top management officers and managers who need to be spoon fed the data. They don't have any time. They are like back to back having meetings. They are seeing thousands of numbers in a day, and their human brain is incapable of connecting the dots. So they need everything on their fingertips. Particularly, what is that about this metric? So it is for them. It is not much of help for the developers. It is like basically addressing the end consumer of the Tableau dashboards. So like developers, they have made very complicated or beautiful dashboards which can be consumed by the end users. But here Tableau is directly talking to the end customer, where it is directly providing the insights in their fingertips by bringing in another GenAI powered feature, that is Tableau Pulse. So this was it about Tableau Pulse. Hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. It will help me create more such content in the future. I'll be bringing more such content like Tableau or SQL or and Python and ETL also I'll be bringing in. So okay, till then, uh, bye.